So I have a test today, a class test, and I look so bad. But I'm so tired, I did not want to wake up today. Anyways, I had to. So I don't know if I'll be able to complete the test on time. That's my concern. I'm gonna show you how it's done. It's an open book test, so it's not much like hard or something.
Do you tell me I'm wrong when I say the same things that you say? And you double the standards because you only like your way. So keep running your mouth, cause I'm tired of walking away. I want you to turn around and leave. Every lie you fed me, I can see. Oh, you think I'd cry, you think I'd die.
So I have completed the class test. These are my answers. I am a little like, I think that these might not suffice as like a 10-mark question, because 10-mark question requires a lot of like words. But like the words are okay, but I think the pages are less because my handwriting is a little small. So I am worried about that. So I don't know if I'll score a little less. But ma'am said that it's not about the word limits but about the description of the answers. My throat is so sore. Some of you were asking like what happened to my voice. Yeah, I have a cold. I have had a cold for like this entire week maybe. I don't have fever, I just have cough and stuff, so it sucks. It sucks. It hurts so much. And my nose is completely blocked, so yeah, I'm sick. But I don't feel unwell, it's alright. I'll currently eat my breakfast, then chill for a little while. Then tomorrow I have a class presentation, it's my turn. I was talking about it in the last video, but it's my turn today, tomorrow. So I'll have to prepare for that as well, so I'll show you.
Falling to your knees. Falling to your knees. Falling to your knees.
So I bought some stuff from Amazon. Let's do a small little haul of the stuff I got from Amazon. So this is the first package. This pair of jeans from Bare Denim. Now this is a black jeans, and I have like 5 black colored jeans already. But you know what? You cannot have enough, and like I did not have this specific kind of jeans. It's like a normal pair of jeans, nothing fancy. It's the basic pair. I did not have a basic pair. Okay, open the next package. Oh, I already cut it open. So I ordered a tracksuit from Puma. Now Puma is one of my favorite brands, and Amazon has like great collection of these things. So these are what the pants look like. It says Puma over here, and these are slim fit because obviously I am slim, so I got the slim fit ones. And this is what the jacket looks like. Is a smartwatch from Fast Track, and this is their Fast Track Reflex 2.0. Let's open this up. I guess I'll have to charge it in order for it to make it work, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a great fitness band. It's not going to fit on my wrist, I guess so. This is what it looks like. I'll have to charge it in order for it to work properly. But yeah, it's a great one. Last but not the least, I got my most favorite thing which I expected. Let me show you. So these are what the shoes look like from inside the box. But when you open it, oh my god, they're so good. I actually wanted these pair for like so long, but they were super expensive. They're like 5,000 rupees. But on sale on Amazon, I got them only for 2,700. Isn't that amazing? Like, come on, it's like super nice. The sneakers are super nice, and yeah, I really wanted these specific ones, and when I saw it on Amazon, I was like, yeah, I'm totally going to get it this time. So that was the Amazon haul. I'll leave all the links down in the description for it, so make sure you check it out if you want to. Hey guys, it's much later now, so I just remembered that I have a class presentation tomorrow. I have already written the matter. I did it yesterday, but right now I have to review everything, so I'll be doing that. So let's do that right now. Okay. This is too hard for me. Hi Hi everyone, my name is Samriddhi Sri Awasthi and I'm going to be presenting you the marketing strategy of Dove, which is also like one of my favorite brands.
Why can't we move on with all that? Not trying to make you jealous. Not trying to make you jealous.
All done with the presentation, guys. I hope it goes well tomorrow. And also, I'm like kind of confused what videos I should make. Do you want to see more vlogs, or do you want to see study videos, or do you want to see just lifestyle videos? I personally love vlogs. Those are like my favorite, and I love watching vlogs, therefore I love making vlogs. But study videos are also fun for me. Oh, I'm also making like a period routine, morning routine, and also like a morning routine. If that makes sense, for 2021. So yeah, you'll be seeing that very, very soon.
When we get older, even though it's over now, played it out. The pain that I've shouldered over and over, and I'll see you around. When we get older, even though it's
So in 2021, I have been doing like journaling and planning. Not exactly journaling, I don't really journal, I call it a planner. So I've been doing planning, and if you guys want to see a video on how to stay organized for 2021, I'll make one, because I am staying organized. I'm trying to complete all of my work on time.
Lately, I can't help but act brand new, baby. 'Cause my pockets got so many